Hello there, this is Palgorithms, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna work with physics again, and this time I'm gonna have a wheel that can roll around and jump maybe? I don't know, let's start. Okay, back to our default position. The draw function, background, fill, setup function, the canvas, rect mode, image mode, which I'm gonna tell you what that means, and the variables. So what am I gonna do for the first step? I say let's start with a wheel on the screen. And when I say the wheel, I mean a wheel, not just a circle like the fruit ninja that I did. So I decided to make it myself by my own hands. I started with this as my inspiration, and let's see what I can do. Just to be honest, I'm pretty happy with the result. Let's put it on a screen. Here you can see I have the PNG file right beside my sketch. And the way I'm gonna show an image on the screen is pretty simple. First, I'll have a variable called wheel pick. I'm not gonna assign any values for it. For now, I will have a function called, what was it? Preload. Yeah, that's it. The wheel pick equals load image. And the URL of our image is my wheel.png. On the draw function, we'll have the image function, and the first parameter will be wheel pick. The second parameter will be the X position. For example, let's say canvas width divided by 2, which will be on the center, and the image mode must be center too, for that to work exactly as we need. Canvas height divided by 2. The last two parameters will be the width and height, and our image is square, so it doesn't matter, they just have to be the same. For example, 400 and 400. And let's see what happened. Here's a wheel, and it doesn't look good because the background is black as well. Let's change the background. As easy as that, we get a wheel on the screen. So far so good. So we're gonna start with the physics. It will not be easy. Let's have a class called wheel and assign some values: x position, y position, x velocity, y velocity, gravity. I'll see what I can do. Okay, so far we have a wheel that falls. Yeah, that's all for now. It doesn't satisfy anything, so let's force it inside the screen. Okay, now we're talking. We actually have a wheel that bounces on the ground. A little better. Let's review what we did. We have two variables, the gravity and damping. We have a wheel class that we're using to make a new wheel in the setup on the center of the screen with the size of 300. Render wheels in the draw function, the wheels, the constructor, and we render the wheels right here. We update them and handle the screen edge right here. Not so complicated right now, but let's try to have an x velocity, for example 100. Whoa, that's cool. We're actually having some good looking movement. What can we do next? For the next step, I want to make it roll by using the keys. Okay, let's just review the codes for now. These three variables are what I added: acceleration, max speed, and the keys that gonna let us rotate and jump. I didn't add the jump yet, but don't worry, we'll do it. We have two more variables for our class, which is the speed and angle. And the speed is actually the rotational speed, not the movement speed. For example, if it's +5, it means we're moving 5 degrees per frame clockwise. But if it's -5, we're moving counterclockwise. Obviously, if it's 0, it's not rotating at all. We changed the keys values in keyPressed function and keyReleased function. That way we can use them pretty easily. The handle controls method, which changes the value of speed based on the key we press. And also for the rendering, we had to do some weird stuff to make our image rotated based on the angle. And with all of that happening, we can rotate the wheel just fine. So awesome. As you can see, it's just stuck at the center and we're just rotating it. There's no movement happening. That's because in real world we have friction that lets us rotate. You know what I mean? Let me show you with a real ball. Consider this ball as our wheel and it's rotating counterclockwise. If it hit a wall like this, it will go down because the friction turns it down. But if it hits the right wall, the rotation get it upward. And on the ground it will go right, on the ceiling it will go, wait a minute, and on the ground it will go on the right, and on the ceiling it will go on the left. So considering the direction and speed of the ball and the wall that we're hitting, we can understand how to change the velocity of our ball when we hit the walls. I got to this. This is handle screen edge, and every wall has its own code. Let's see what happens. It looks cute. Let's hit the wall. Yeah, that's obvious. Not bad. I like it. I feel the rotation is a little bit more than the speed. Let's see how real I can get it. Good. Yay. And here's the code of the jump. It's pretty simple, with a variable called jump amount. Why don't we add obstacles on the screen and set collision system for them? You know what? I'm not even trying to show the codes now. You just need to know that we have obstacles that we can roll on, jump on, or do anything that's possible. And after hours of trying, I could make rotated obstacles too. For the end, I want to make some obstacles around, maybe make a simple level or something like that, and see if I can jump above some obstacles and reach a point. Okay, I designed a quick level, and it looks like this. Let's see what I can do. Okay, I wanna win my own game. I don't think I can do this. I can't win my own game? Come on. I made you. You can't beat me. Come on. It's not that hard. Please. This is humiliating. What? That must be possible. Yeah. Let's go for the next part. Not that hard. I guess so. Oh, shh. Come on. No! It's not designed to be that hard. You know what? I think I made the hardest game ever. Yeah. You're doing it. No! Why? No! Why is this happening? It shouldn't bounce that much. Maybe it's because I have to release a speed button. Yeah. Oh. Come on, we're almost there. Please let me win my own game. I should put some cheats for it. What the hell is happening right there? I don't get it. Please. Am I a bad player or a bad developer? You can comment down below. What? I definitely should have made that jump. What the hell is happening? I jumped too soon. Everything's alright. We'll make that jump. Yo, please. Please. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes! We did it. I beat you. I made you. What do you think? Who do you think you are? Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll try to get this project on my GitHub account. You can play it, enjoy, maybe change some codes, make it better if you can, and I will be pleased to see you coding better than this. Whew. Everything was heavy. Coding, playing, explaining. I didn't explain everything. I couldn't actually. It was too complicated, but I'll leave you alone. Peace. Bye.